Hello, cookies, and welcome back to another video. I received this box from Saswat for my birthday. So here is the unboxing. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to thumbs up the video, and I'll see you cookies in the next video. Oh, too cute. Look at the card. Cute. Oh. Oh, adorable. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. Oh, it's so cute. It's my favorite. Thank you. Oh, and I love it. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's the Packers backpack with ID holder. Oh, it's 20 of 25. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness, I seen this, but your girl was too cheap to buy it. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Go pack, go green and go. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, it's too cute. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Oh, I love it. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. I'm gonna have to move into it. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. But first, your girl gotta get some more Packers accessories. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's so cute. And look at this little card. Oh my goodness. You're the sweetest. Thank you so much. I love it. Cute. Can you guys see it? Oh my goodness. It's the Ronnie backpack, my favorite. Oh, and it's I wanted the canvas too. And it's got the GreenBay Packers on it. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. Thank you, Saswat. Your awesomeness. Cute. Oh my goodness. Look at this cute little card. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. You have no idea. I wanted this, but oh my goodness, I didn't want to pay. Oh my goodness, you are so kind. Thank you so much. Look at that. It's so cute. Cute. There it is, my favorite backpack. Packers backpack with ID holder. 20 out of 25. Wow, this is the Ronnie backpack. And this is the canvas. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's my new favorite. Thank you so much. Cute, cute, cute. I just can't shake it. Oh, it's so awesome. Awesome. Cute. This is love. This is love. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. Nice sunny day here in Scottsdale.